want to introduce you to the new CFT single turbo kits for the XD Cummins trucks. What you get in the kits is our extensional boots, clamps and all, to go over to usually our fab intake tubes. Some other cold air intake systems may be able to be used, might need some modifications and so forth, but we'll have the boot systems to go to them. Some of them do work. I think the S&B is one of them. I haven't really got the chance to test a whole bunch of them. You get our new Y-bridge setup. It comes into place. As you can see, it's working with the factory up pipe. And it has to work with our up pipe unit that goes in place. Oil feed lines. Then down way below is the factory oil feed port. We have our own turbo pedestal base that this is mounted on. You can kind of see it down there in the photos. And we supply studs that go with the system. So you'll thread the studs in and put the studs in the system. All new downpipe coming off the turbo. We made them two-piece, so it's a little bit more user-friendly to install. New cold air charge tube system goes into the intercooler system. That's what also comes with it. Also, we have all the way here in the back a new CNC milled plug and cap for the other factory double turbo drain. The other turbo drain is in our pedestal that's in place there. So, kind of an overview of our system, how it's all done, and what it all looks like. And to help people out with them.